Hello guys, done the rear quarter, put some primer on that.
That's good.
Here she is. Now we can get the last few bits finished and get it put back together. Start modding it. Put most of it back together that we could. Just going to paint these last few bits. Just about to panel wipe them, tack rag them down. Get them ready. It's really windy up here. I'm getting pure backdraft through the filter fan, or the filter housing, the fans behind it. Don't know if you can hear that. But that's with my fan off. So trying to prop it up, I've changed all my filters, but we're getting some backdraft. When I turn it on, it's fine, it won't come back in here, but I'm a bit worried about when I turn it back off. It's so windy out there, I might get a bit of backwash come through, but hopefully we'll be all right. We'll get all these bits done, get them all painted up, and then we can start fitting the van up, putting the lowering kit on it, put the alloys on it. I've changed the steering wheel for another one. The one I had was all sort of worn out rubber stuff. What else are we doing? New windscreen, service, cam belt kit, remap, EGR delete, DPF removal. So yeah, we've got a bit to get on with, but I'll see you in a bit, get a bit of paint on this and see how we get on.
That's good.
Okay, that's all them bits sorted. Finally, get this thing back together. Drag the van in. Let's get this assembled. Start getting some bits on it, skirts back on, stuff like that. And I'll see you in a bit. Little update on the Fiat 500 Abarth. We cleaned it up, and my neighbour's a detailer. He fell in love with it, and he's bought it off us exactly as it is. It's washed up really well. He's going to do the repair work at a later date. We cleaned up the front bumper, and that's pretty much all that it's left with. Tiny little scuff there. He's going to replace or repair the grille and the fog light ring. But considering how filthy it was when we picked it up, now where it looks now, there's no polish, no nothing like that on it. Obviously we've got the crease in the rear quarter there. He's happy to use it as it is. Drive around and like that. Even the mark off the back bumper came off with minimal effort. And it looks really well. He fell in love with it. It's one of them love-hate relationships. Hate Fiat 500s. As I go near Bath, love that. I think that is exactly what everyone says. Got a soft spot for the Bath. So, unfortunately, we won't be rebuilding this one on the channel, but in the future, I may well end up doing the bodywork on it, so there'll be a little update. And you may well see it again. I thought I'd let everybody know. And we'll crack on with the rest of the stuff. Here we go, guys. All back together. The wheels on it. Put the lowering springs on the rear, but it's going to my mate. Get the fronts done, service, cam belt kit. You notice now, it's clean. That driver's wing is the yellower shade, so it don't look very good, but it'll do for now, for me. Colour coded. Bad little van. It's going to be my little run around. Hit me bits and bobs up. Came up quite nice. Looks a bit different from how we picked it up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks to all the new subscribers. If you ain't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, helps the channel grow. Plenty more to come. See you soon.